Okay, 7C. An infinite geometric series is given as, okay, so we've got infinite geometric, I'm gonna be using this guy, is given as S sub infinity is equal to A plus A over rad 2 plus A over 2, carried on indefinitely, where A is an element of Z double backbone plus. So what you should do is open up your glossary of terms and use it to learn these words, or not words, but these symbols that we're going to be using all year long. So you would go to your glossary of terms, you would look up symbols. Let's see. Any of the double backbone notation, so like R double backbone, Z double backbone, that is going to indicate the numbers in a set. So Z with a little plus is going to be the set of positive integers, okay? So keep referring to this glossary of terms until you have all this stuff at the ready. So Z is positive integers. And that looks like this. Okay. So, find the largest value of A such that the infinite sum is less than F. Okay, so let's start subbing in the stuff that we know. S sub infinity will come from the formula. F was given to us up top. What is it? 3,240. Okay, so where do we get this from? We have to figure it out. So let's use the formula for an infinite sum. We have u sub 1 is a over 1 minus, let's figure out what that r is. Whenever we don't know r, we can do second term over first. So we have a over rad 2 divided by a over 1. And whenever we are doing division with fractions, we keep the first, we change the sign, and we flip the second. The a's will cancel, and we have 1 over rad 2. That will be our r, okay? So I have 1 over rad 2. All right, perfect. So now I have an expression for the infinite sum. I'm going to put him over here. And I need to see where he is less than 3,240. I think we should consult our calculator. Make this an easy question. Okay, so we are going to go to a graph page. We're going to type in the left-hand side. And we're going to change the a to an x. Okay, and then now we are trying to see where this whole sum, or this infinite sum, is less than 3,240. So I'm going to definitely need to adjust my window. Let's do a little zoom fit. Oh, see, not even helpful. Let's adjust our window here. We're going to go to 1 for window settings. Let's have it start at 0 and go up to, I don't know. 1,000. Who knows? And then we're going to start our infinite sum at 0. And we want to go all the way up to 3,240, but we want to fit with a little bit of a buffer so we can see where this infinite sum crosses the 3,240. So let's go up to maybe 3,500, okay? And we're going to add that 3,240, and we're going to see where they cross right there. All right, and it's 949. Okay, so we want to see where the infinite sum, or the blue, is below or less than the red. It is less than the red when it is to the left. So we are going to round down to 948. Okay, we can also confirm this with the table. I like how Dylan did this in set 1. This was cool. So we're going to go to the table. We're going to do menu 2. Change from auto to ask, and we're going to ask the calculator what this infinite sum looks like at, what were the numbers we were inspecting? 949. Yeah, 948. So below, right at 949, and then above. Let's analyze what's going on. Okay, so we're basically creeping along the x-axis. We get to 948. What is the sum at when n equals 948? It is 3,236.67. That is in fact less than 3,240. So let's kind of like visualize it maybe on a number line just to make sure we're getting our ideas right here. Okay. So he was good here at 949. He was a little above. And then at 950, he was definitely above. So it looks like we're gonna need N is 948.